Hello all and welcome to this channel. Today in this video we are going to talk about health benefits of golden milk. Golden milk, also called turmeric milk, contains antioxidant and anti-inflammatory compounds which may offer health benefits. In addition to turmeric as a main ingredient, the golden milk may also contain some other ingredients like cinnamon and ginger. These can include protection against certain diseases. Here are 10 health benefits of golden turmeric milk. The benefit number 1 is antioxidant-rich ingredients. The key ingredient in golden milk is turmeric, a yellow spice popular in Asian cuisine, which gives curry its yellow color. Curcumin, the active component in turmeric, has been used in traditional medicine for centuries due to its strong antioxidant properties. Antioxidants are compounds that fight cell damage, protecting your body from oxidative stress. Golden milk recipes also include cinnamon and ginger, both of which have impressive antioxidant properties as well. The benefit number 2 is it helps in reducing inflammation and joint pain. The ingredients in golden milk have powerful anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation is thought to play a major role in chronic diseases including cancer, metabolic syndrome, Alzheimer's disease, and heart disease. For this reason, diets rich in anti-inflammatory compounds may reduce your risk of these conditions. Curcumin, the active ingredient in turmeric, has potent anti-inflammatory properties. The anti-inflammatory effects of curcumin are comparable to those of some pharmaceutical drugs with none of the side effects. These anti-inflammatory effects may reduce joint pain from osteoarthritis and rheumatoid arthritis. The benefit number 3 is it boosts memory and brain function. Golden milk is also a good choice for your brain. Curcumin may increase levels of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, which is a compound that helps your brain form new connections and promotes the growth of brain cells. Low levels of this compound may be linked to brain disorders including Alzheimer's disease. Cinnamon appears to reduce the symptoms of Parkinson's disease and improves brain function. Ginger may also boost brain function by improving reaction time and memory. The benefit number 4 is it improves mood. It appears that turmeric, more specifically its active compounds curcumin, may boost mood and reduce symptoms of depression because curcumin acts as an antidepressant in some depressive disorders. Depression may also be linked to low level of a compound known as brain-derived neurotrophic factor. As curcumin appears to boost levels of this compound, it may have the potential to reduce symptoms of depression. The benefit number 5 is it protects against heart disease. Heart disease is the worldwide leading cause of death. Interestingly, cinnamon, ginger, and turmeric, the key ingredients in golden milk, have all been linked to a lower risk of heart disease. Cinnamon in the golden milk may lower total cholesterol, triglyceride, and bad LDL levels while raising good HDL levels. Curcumin may improve the function of your blood vessel linings, known as endothelial function. Proper endothelial function is important for a healthy heart. The golden milk is also a good choice before and after any surgery. The benefit number 6 is it lowers blood sugar levels. The ingredients in golden milk, particularly ginger and cinnamon, may help lower blood sugar levels. For instance, 2 to 5 grams of cinnamon per day may lower fasting glucose levels by up to 29%. Moreover, cinnamon may reduce insulin resistance. Insulin-resistant cells are less able to take up sugar from your blood, so lowering insulin resistance generally lowers blood sugar levels. Cinnamon seems to reduce how much glucose is absorbed in your gut after a meal, which can further improve blood sugar control. Similarly, Regularly adding small amounts of ginger to your diet may help lower fasting blood sugar levels by up to 12%. The benefit number 7 is it may reduce your risk of cancer. Cancer is a disease marked by uncontrolled cell growth. In addition to treatments, alternative anti-cancer remedies are being tried in a broader way. Interestingly, some research suggests that the spices used in golden milk may offer some benefits in this regard. A substance known as 6-gingerol, which is found in a large amounts in raw ginger, shows anti-cancer properties. Similarly, the compounds in cinnamon may help reduce the growth of cancer cells. Curcumin, the active ingredient in turmeric, may also kill isolated cancer cells and prevents the growth of new blood vessels in tumors, limiting their ability to spread. The benefit number 8 is its immunity boosting properties. Generally, the golden milk is often used as a home remedy against colds. In fact, this special drink is famous for its immunity boosting properties. Curcumin has antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal properties which may help prevent and fight infections. Moreover, compounds in fresh ginger may inhibit the growth of some bacteria. Ginger extract may fight the human respiratory virus, a common cause of respiratory infections. Similarly, cinnamaldehyde, the active compound in cinnamon, may prevent the growth of bacteria. The ingredients in golden milk also have strong antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties which may strengthen your immune system. The benefit number 9 is better for digestion. Chronic indigestion, also known as dyspepsia, is characterized by pain and discomfort in the upper part of your stomach. Delayed stomach emptying is a potential cause of indigestion. Ginger, one of the ingredients used in golden milk, may help relieve this condition by speeding up stomach emptying in people suffering from dyspepsia. Turmeric in golden milk may help reduce indigestion symptoms. Turmeric may also improve the digestion of fat by increasing your production of bile by up to 62%. Turmeric can help maintain proper digestion and prevents flare-ups in individuals with ulcerative colitis, which is an inflammatory digestive disorder resulting in ulcers in the gut. The benefit number 10 is it makes bones stronger. Golden milk may contribute to a strong skeleton. Both cows and enriched plant milks are generally rich in calcium and vitamin D, the two nutrients essential for building and maintaining strong bones. If your diet is too low in calcium, your body starts removing calcium from your bones to maintain normal calcium levels in your blood. Over the time, this makes bones weak and brittle, increasing your risk of bone diseases such as osteopenia and osteoporosis. Vitamin D contributes to stronger bones by improving your gut's ability to absorb calcium from your diet. Low levels of vitamin D in your body may thus lead to weak and brittle bones even if your diet is rich in calcium. Though cow's milk naturally contains calcium and is often enriched with vitamin D, not all plants' milks are rich in these two nutrients. Choose your golden milk recipe, which should be enriched with both calcium and vitamin D for more bone strengthening benefits. This is enough for today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe this channel.